Hey everybody, welcome to the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. We are not doing dessert today. We are doing vegetable soup. Our way, because everybody does it different. Maybe I need to put that knife down because I'm going to stick my stuff with it. Everybody does it different. Some use a beef vegetable. We are using tomato juice. So first off, I have a pound of stew meat here. You can use a roast, you can use whatever. I've seen people use hamburger. I'm not a big fan of ground beef in my soup. So we just have some stew meat. And I always think that they're too big, so I always cut them down a little bit. And easier to cut when it's a little froze. And this is a little froze, so that's great cutting. I got some water in my pan here getting hot. So we're going to put our meat in there with some salt and let that baby boil until the meat is about done. I'm going to put in some potatoes, some vegetables, some onions.
All that good stuff.
All of that. So I'm just going to drop this stuff right down in there.
My mouth's watering already.
Now, we haven't had vegetable soup for a long time. Used to sell this at the restaurant. My goodness, people went crazy over vegetable soup and a hamburger, vegetable soup and grilled cheese.
Now you're talking.
Yeah. Guys, if you like us doing these other videos like the hauls and regular food like this instead of just desserts, let me know below. So I know what you guys want to see. If you want to see doing crafts and Billy out there in his shop doing some woodworking, we can do those too. But I need some feedback because I don't want to change up what I've been doing if you guys aren't okay with it. Because, you know, this channel is all about you.
Yes, it is.
We want to do what you guys want to see.
Right.
And if I did a daily vlog, you guys would just lose it with us. Cause
yes.
Because
we're silly.
I show you everything we do all day. Woo! God.
We are silly.
So that is in there. I have one onion here. I'm going to go ahead and put that in. Let those onion juices get in there.
Mm-hmm. That's what I'm talking about.
Let's put some salt in there. And this takes a lot of salt.
Yes,
so
it does.
Don't get worried that I'm putting too much because I'm not. Alright, so I'm going to put the lid on this partially. I'm going to let this boil until the meat is about 50% done. Then I'll put the vegetables in. We'll be back. Alright guys, we're back with the beef boiling in the water with the onions in there. And I'm going to add some more of the vegetables now. Okay, I got some potatoes here. Just dumping them in. They had some water in them because I was trying to keep them from turning brown. I went ahead and chopped them up. And we've got some corn that I had cut off the cob this fall and vacuum sealed. Any kind of vegetable you have extra in your refrigerator, in your freezer, throw it in there. I have a 2-pound bag of mixed vegetables, which has carrots, green beans, corn, and peas. All of that's going in. Still froze a little bit. Let's get that out. And plus, I didn't open it all the way because, you know, I like to do things the hard way.
I see this.
You know that. Okay. Woo! Look at them colors.
Smelling good.
Them colors. And we had some cabbage in the refrigerator, so hey, we're putting that in too. Look at this. Bam. Woo!
You can't go wrong with cabbage and vegetable soup.
Alright. We're going to get this all stirred up and jumping out of the pan there. So let's get this all stirred up. And then we're going to let that simmer a little bit longer. And then we're going to put in a can of red gold tomato juice because that is my favorite tomato juice. Red gold for the win. They got gold in the title because that's what it is. Gold.
Red gold.
All right, we'll be back when we add the tomato juice. All right, guys, we got everything in here sweating all together, boiling rapidly. I'm going to put in our can of tomato juice. If it'll fit, if it won't, it will in a little bit when it boils down some more. But we're going to get all these flavors going. We're going to have a big pot of soup. We're going to be eating soup for weeks. Oh, that's going to fit. Yummy.
Did you put any cayenne or red pepper flakes? Or...
You like hot vegetable soup?
I like a little tang to it.
I put some pepper in it a while ago. We'll have to stir this all up and let it marinate some more. Sweat them all together.
Yeah, you can't rush that process.
No, you cannot. It's an all-day deal. So we've been at it for, I don't know, a couple hours. And we'll be back when it's done, because that's all I'm doing for a taste test with some crackers.
Yum.
All right, guys, moment of truth. Look at this. Yummy. All them vegetables and beef in there. Dip me some out here. And I'm going to get me, I'm not going to eat any sandwich with it. I'm going to get me some crackers, though. So we'll be right back. All right, guys, I got my soup here. I got some crackers in it. I'm going to add a couple more, I think. I just kind of crunch them up and put them in there. We got ice melting. Is that what that noise? I heard it a while ago. I was like, what was that noise? It's ice melting around here. Sun's beautiful. It's 24 maybe.
25.
It's going to be 40 tomorrow here.
I can't wait.
Southern Ohio. I can't wait to get into this soup. All right.
Me too.
See, I like mine thick like that. I like all of the crackers soaking up my juice. Look at that smoking. I haven't had vegetable soup like this for a long time because it's been a long time since I made it. I know, a couple years probably.
I've made it.
So good, guys. Easy. Not very many ingredients. A way to use up your frozen vegetables that you have, or vegetables in the refrigerator. Put anything in it. Carrots, peas, green beans, potatoes, onions, cabbage, celery, whatever. Some lima beans. Some people put some lima beans in it. Some okra. Just whatever you got. Alright, guys, we're going to get off here and I'm going to eat my vegetable soup. So, like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out, guys. Vegetable soup.